Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox ping spikes. So it's very easy. What we need to do is open up our computer, search for Roblox player, find it, right click on it, and then open file location. Here, we will right click on the Roblox player yet again until we see this option, open file location, and just click on it. Now, this should highlight the Roblox player beta. So just right click on the Roblox player beta and go to properties. Here, we want to go into the digital signature. Click on it, left click on this one and details. Now, select view certificate and we want to click on install certificate. Current user, next, automatically next certificate. Finish the import was successful. Click on OK. OK, OK, and OK. Now, you should no longer have pink spikes in Roblox. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.